wig lover, this is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and I'm thrilled to be bringing you one of my all-time favorite wigs for our CysterWigs house label. This is Angelina Mono SF by CysterWigs, and the color is Swedish Blonde Root. I adore this wig. You know, it's got these effortless boho, beachy waves. It reminds me a little bit of something like Bay by Estetica, except it's not as full. It has extremely light hair density for a wig with this texture. The lace features are ultra fine Swiss lace, which means that the holes are smaller, so the hair is much more compactly threaded through it. It looks very natural, and it's a slightly more pliable, less rigid, less scratchy kind of lace. So it's really nice, and it does not scratch up against my head. I have a shaved head right now, which you'll see when I take the wig off, and this does not irritate my scalp at all. Let me go ahead and do a 360 so you can see how gorgeous Angelina Mono is from all sides, and then I'll tell you a little bit more about this wig. Angelina Mono has a gorgeous pre-cut translucent ultra fine Swiss lace front. Also has a monofilament top. It does have a little tiny bump of permatease right behind the crown to help give her just a tiny little bit of lift. But I mean, she's got a relatively smooth profile, which you'll see when I put her back on. She's open wefted on the sides and in the back. She also has an extended felt nape with Velcro adjusters. This wig is relatively stretchy, though I would say this fits a little bit on the petite average side. If you have an average cap circumference though, this one will fit just fine. It's just us folks with the average large heads, you're gonna have to play around with it to make it work. That's what my coverage on the sides looks like because I have a slightly large head. I don't get complete coverage, but it still looks pretty darn awesome, especially here at this front hairline. It's a luscious color, the Swedish Blonde Root. So I hope you've enjoyed checking out what Angelina looks like on all sides. This is a glorious, glorious wig. It weighs almost nothing. It's very comfortable on, and the hair is delicious. It's got baby fine denier. It moves really naturally. And this wave pattern is to die for. It is really gorgeous. So she's right there to join her sisters, Carlotta and Larissa, and we will keep expanding upon this line as you guys keep gobbling them up. So vote with your dollars. If you like this sort of thing, buy it, and we'll keep them coming. You know, we want to make sure we're providing you with items that you're really interested in buying, because isn't that what this is all about? You know, we're trying to help you find your hair. So hopefully this gets us a little bit closer to that. And without further ado, I'm Heather from CysterWigs.com. That's CysterWigs.com, bringing you the beautiful Angelina mono from CysterWigs. You can find it at CysterWigs.com, and we look forward to seeing you there. Bye, everybody. Thanks for watching.